Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rebecca Robeson. Guys, I have got such huge news for you today. I'm about to have a Christmas blowout sale, and it's going to happen on a very important 2-day weekend, and I want you to be there. So let's get into the details and I'll explain it all to you. Sign your balls if you want me to. That probably didn't sound right. As many of you know, you watch my Christmas videos year after year here on YouTube. You know that I have got a plethora of Christmas decorations. It's Christmas time. And I have collected them for over 20 years. You know, over the past, I've given things away. I've done so many things. And I'm at the point right now where I have too much. It's just too much. And it's time to let it go. Because I have everything brand new coming in for Christmas 2024. And I can't wait for you guys to see the videos. They're going to blow your mind. This is actually heartbreaking to me in some ways, but how do I pass this along to you, make it easy on myself so that I'm not overwhelmed, and also make it fun for you? Here's the plan. We're going to have this sale. You got the date. Write this down. I'm telling you, this is so important. August 24th and 25th, all right? That's a Saturday and a Sunday. The second thing is in person only. We will not be shipping things out. You must make it here to Tulsa. Take a plane, take a bus, take a minivan, take a ride share, take anything you can and get yourself to my home, because you're going to be able to make a reservation, and it's first come, first serve. Reservation is the only way in. The first 300 people who sign up and make a reservation for this sale will be allowed in. So you're going to want to get there right away, you guys, and there'll be a link in the description box below. But keep listening to what I'm saying now, because you're going to want to know these details. This is how the sale works. Once you've reserved your block of time and you've reserved your tote, then you need to be here at my house that day and that time, and you will be given 45 minutes to shop. You'll arrive at my house at your given time, you'll show us your ID, and you will receive a tote. Let me show you what the totes are like. Your tote will be red, and it will have a beautiful Robeson, Rebecca Robeson logo on it. But this is the exact size and shape. It's 23 inches this direction, 12 inches this direction, and I believe 10 this direction. It holds a lot of stuff. Once you receive your tote, you'll be led in the gate to an area where you can shop everything I have. When I say everything, there has to be over 100,000 different items. I mean, there are so many. It's 20 years of things I've collected that you've seen in all of my videos. Once you get your tote, you'll be able to fill it with anything and everything you want. Whatever fits in your tote is what you are able to take. Now, there's a price for each tote. The tote is $250, but what will you get for $250? I did an example tote. I decided, well, if I was coming to my sale, what would I want? And I filled this tote with the things that I would have chosen. Do you love my cobalt blue Christmas? Because a lot of that's going to be in there. How about my musical Christmas? How about the year Shara got married and I had those huge earrings on? Do you remember that? Look, I'll have owls. There'll be things that you could use for a modern farmhouse. There'll be wreaths. There'll be deer. I know, I'm getting rid of my favorite deer. This guy is like beloved. There will be nativity scenes, everything you can think of. Now, we're going to have two sections. One section will be the tote section, where you go in and you mad dash, pick out everything you want, and you fill your tote as full as you possibly can. The second section will be the figurines and items that are too large to put into a tote, and those will be priced individually. I'm going to price things probably about 1/3 of what they cost originally, depending on the condition. And the condition of my stuff is incredible, because look how I store it and take care of it. Oh yeah, the carolers. The carolers will be there. And there's going to be all kinds of lanterns, whether you want gold or you want silver or you want black. I mean, everything you can possibly think of will be there, including Christmas lights, both outdoor, indoor. And can I just say garlands? Oh my gosh, my collection of garlands it's like being in a Christmas decorating store. I mean, I have probably 50, 60, maybe even 70 garlands, both in green and in flocked. So just about anything you could use in your home will be available at my sale. And I can't wait to see you guys going in there and just like an Easter egg hunt, you know, going through all these bins and picking everything out. So much fun. Now, would you like to do a little tour of what I was able to put in my bin? And then you'll get an idea of what it's going to be like. I started with a set of these flicker candles that are battery operated that fit on your Christmas tree. These I actually bought from Balsam Hill a number of years ago, and they were $100 a set. Then I've also selected 2 rolls of ribbon. This is my favorite velvet D. Stevens ribbon with the gold backing, and it's the gray. This was from my gray Christmas. You guys remember that? Let me just tell you, this still has the price on it, and it's a brand new roll. This is $34 a roll, and this was from last year. So all my stuff from last year, you know, that amazing Christmas I did last year, is all going to be available too. This is that ribbon that has the bugle beads on it, and you can like do this, and I thought I would get a roll of that if I was here. And this is $56. Is that 50? Yeah, $56. I don't have my glasses on, but it's almost $60 for a roll of this. I would stick that in there. Now let's just take a look at this. 60 and 35, is that $35? That right there is $100. And those flickering candle lights right there, $200 just went into my bag. Then I have some great picks. All of my picks that you guys have seen over the years are going to be in here, and all of my sprays. These are great flocked picks and sprays that I would put inside garlands and things. Then these are the berries that I used last year. These are almost $20 a stem. And then I put in an owl and a really beautiful feathery bird. And then some of my gorgeous iced magnolia leaves that I used last year. Those go in my garlands and over my doorways and in wreaths. Stuck that in there. And then I put in all of these Christmas balls. Okay, so as I sit here and I fill this with balls, making the most use of my space. And some of these ornaments are very expensive. I love this one. This was super popular last year. Also, you know what else was super popular that they actually ran out of? These like seafoam green with sequins and pearls across the top. Amber Marie ran out of those and was not able to get any more. So I know a place you can still get them, and that would be at my sale. After you make your selection, we will have bubble wrap available that you can wrap your things up before you actually take them out the door. But for now, we're not including bubble wrap because we want to get as much in here as we can. Because, you know, that's what it's all about. How much can you fit into your tub and it still be safe? And there you have it. This came up to, when we laid it up all back out, almost $650. What's the exact amount? The exact amount was $653.71. That is what the worth is, or the value of what I had selected in here. And that was just my quick random pulling of things. You take a look at all the stuff that's here, you could walk away with even $1,000 worth or more, depending on what you put in your container. Now, to help with people who are not able to make it in on the first day, which is Saturday, but they're able to come, you know, we're all filled up for Saturday, you're able to come Sunday, we're actually going to drop the price to $200 for the tote. What's the reason for that? I was just thinking that after the first day, a lot of the best stuff will be selected, but trust me, there's hundreds of thousands of items here. You're going to be able to find anything and everything you want. But Probably the more valuable things will be gone the first day. So we're gonna drop the price to $200 to make it a little bit more affordable and to make it a little bit more fair. And of course, I will be at the sale, so after you've done your tote selections and gatherings, I'll be there to meet you, greet you, take pictures with you, sign, I don't know, sign your balls if you want me to. That probably didn't sound right. I'll be there to meet you. I can't wait to meet you. It's always so much fun. You know, I had a designer surplus sale here once, and I've also had a Christmas open house here. And that's always the best part to me, is the chance to get to meet you guys up close and personal. Also, leave me a comment below and tell me, of all the things you've ever seen in my videos, what is the one thing you wish you could get your hands on that you haven't been able to in the past? I can tell you right now, there's going to be a lot of you that are going to say my acrylic angel. Okay, here's the bad news. She's staying with me. She and I have been through a lot, including her wings breaking on numerous occasions. I can't get rid of that girl. But I would say honestly, for the most part, about a good 90% of everything in the way of Christmas decorations that I have collected over the last 20 years will be going for sale, and they will be leaving my house in the tune of 300 different totes on their way out the door. What if you wanted to buy more than one tote? You could. You just have to reserve it and make sure that when you come, you're ready to haul this stuff away, because it is going to be a blast. It's also an opportunity to have a little bit of Robeson, you know, Rebecca Robeson legacy in your home for Christmas if you happen to be a fan. And I think it's just going to be a really, really fun thing to do. So you need to make your way to Tulsa for the August 24th and 25th event of the Rebecca Robeson Christmas Blowout Sale. Have I made my point? Make your way over immediately to the website, where there's a link below where you can make your reservation, reserve your tote, and meet me here at my house, because there's so much more. Before we say goodbye, let's just take a really quick little tour through this space so you can see what's going to be for sale. Look at the garland: white garland, entry garland, kitchen garland, flocked garland, green garland, every kind of garland you can think of. This was from last year, which I used in my fan room. I love this. It's a double layer. You can put things on top. Even my iced twig trees will be on sale. I have several different nativity styles that you can choose from. And then of course my famous carolers will be on sale. Every color of Christmas ball and ornament that you could think of is going to be available at this sale that you can stuff into your tote. And I mean, some of these ornaments were so expensive the year that I got them. And you're going to be able to fill your totes with anything that you choose that is of value to you, that matches your theme, that just kind of gets you excited. Or maybe it's a reminder of a particular Christmas theme that I did one year that maybe it was the year you found me and it would be like meaningful or sentimental to you. You guys choose what the reason. The sky's the limit when it comes to my Christmas decorations. And then I have a wreath department and a Christmas tree department and all the garlands, and then more figurines. Like some of my figurines, you can't even get them anymore. And I think they would mean a lot to you guys, because there's a fondness and a connection that we have as a result of me teaching you how to decorate your home for Christmas. Just remember, get on that reservation list as fast as you can, as soon as you can, so that you have the best choices available to you. Remember a couple things. One, first come, first serve. Two, gotta be in person. And number three, Christmas is just around the corner. Just remember, the Christmas decorating for 2024 is gonna be epic. In my opinion, it'll be the most beautiful Christmas I've ever done. I have some huge surprises for you, but the best part is, everything that I show you will be made available to you through the Amber Marie & Co. website. So, I feel like I'm finally at a place after doing Christmas videos for so many years that I'm actually able to help you guys, not only teach you how to decorate for Christmas, the tips and the tricks and the cool things that you could do and inspire you with beauty, but I can also make it available to you to have in your own home, should you choose to make that decision. Meanwhile, let's get this, this Christmas blowout sale on the road. In fact, I need you to get on the road. Get yourself here. We're gonna have a blast. All right, you guys, I will see you at my, the Rebecca Robeson 2024 Christmas Blowout Sale. Okay, can't wait to meet you guys. Love you, bye-bye.